When many of the world's 850 million girls go to sleep tonight, they'll dream about futures that sadly, because of extreme or backward thinking in the countries where they live, are nearly impossible for them to achieve. In too many countries, girls' contributions simply aren't valued. Their well-being isn't protected, and their aspirations aren't taken seriously. As the father of two daughters, I know deep down that is unacceptable. I believe with all my heart that supporting the rights of girls is the moral and just thing to do. And as someone who sits today in the same chair where extraordinary women like Hillary Rodham Clinton, Condoleezza Rice, and Madeleine Albright sat before me, I know that it's also the smart thing to do. Investing in girls is a critical part of our duty to promote prosperity, security, and peace around the world. Common sense tells us that empowered girls grow up to be empowered women. They grow up to be empowered mothers, leaders, and innovators. They grow up to make the world a better place. Thanks to a number of global partnerships and programs led by the State Department, like Tech Girls and Next Scholars, and great USAID programs like Safe Schools, we have made important progress. Today, more and more girls are enrolling in school in Afghanistan, and fewer girls are victims of female genital mutilation in Africa. But our work is far from over. Every year, the International Day of the Girl is a chance for us to reaffirm our commitment to girls' rights, to celebrate their value to society, and to address the unique challenges that they still face. It's a call to action for everyone to build on the progress we've made on global women's rights. And if we heed that call, the dreams of our daughters will one day be just as valued and just as viable as the dreams of our sons.